Welcome to the Motimate Help Center. Today you'll learn how to add subtitles and transcripts to your videos and podcasts. Making your content accessible helps everyone on your team, whether they're hard of hearing or in a noise-sensitive environment. Before you start, remember, Motimate doesn't auto-generate subtitles or transcripts. You'll need to create these using an external transcription tool, or by making the transcript yourself. For the best results, include timestamps in your subtitle and transcript files. For both videos and podcasts, save your subtitle or transcript file in the VTT format before uploading it to Motimate. Motimate supports multiple languages. If your module is available in several languages, make sure the transcript file you upload matches the language toggle you've selected in the editor. You can upload a specific transcript file for each language version. This way, all users get the correct translation. Let's start with podcasts. First, add a podcast content block just like you see here. Upload your audio file as you normally would. Next, find the dedicated attached subtitle file upload field in the block settings. Here, upload your VTT transcript file. The upload usually finishes in a couple of minutes, but often it just takes a few seconds. Now, let's look at adding subtitles to a video block. The steps are very similar. Start by adding your video file. Then, in the content block settings, look for the new Attach Subtitle File section. Select your VTT subtitle file. It's important that your VTT file includes typed timestamps. This makes sure the text synchronizes accurately and appears on screen exactly when the words are spoken. Now, see how this looks for your users. By adding these files, you enable toggle controls for your learners. Users can turn subtitles on or off depending on their needs. This lets everyone follow along in real time. Let's see how it works. And that's it. You've now added subtitles. If you have questions or need more help, you can ask Motibot or contact our support team. Happy training!